Hello everyone, and welcome back to Cozy Vintage Vibes YouTube channel. Today, we're exploring elegant ways to bring that irresistible farmhouse cottage charm into your home. Whether you're looking for a subtle nod to rustic living or you want to go all out with classic country details, this video is packed with creative inspiration for cozy, timeless interiors. I have a variety of images to share, collected at random, so as you watch, feel free to imagine how these ideas might come to life in your own home. There's no strict category or order here, so let's jump right in and talk about some key details that can make a real difference in elevating your space. Setting the tone with a soft color palette. One of the main elements that define farmhouse cottage decor is the soothing, light color palette. Think whites, creams, pastels, and gentle neutrals like beige or gray. A muted palette creates an airy, calming environment and makes it easy to highlight any vintage pieces, rustic wood textures, or eye-catching accents you might have. Embracing vintage and upcycled treasures. A farmhouse cottage aesthetic often celebrates history and character, so vintage or second-hand pieces are a fantastic choice. Scour flea markets, thrift stores, or even your own attic for hidden gems like antique mirrors, weathered wooden frames, or distressed furniture. If you come across pieces that need a little TLC, don't be afraid to give them a new life with a coat of chalk paint or some gentle sanding. Layering textures for warmth. When it comes to farmhouse cottage decor, texture is your best friend. A cozy, inviting space isn't just about what you see, it's about what you feel. Consider layering chunky knit blankets, soft cotton throws, and plush pillows on your sofas and armchairs. Combine smooth linens with nubby wool fabrics, add touches of burlap or jute, and play around with lace or crochet details. Rustic woods and natural materials. Nothing says farmhouse cottage quite like the warmth of natural materials. Exposed wooden beams, reclaimed barn wood, or rustic plank floors all contribute to that lived-in country feel. But don't worry if your home doesn't already have these features. You can recreate a similar effect by adding wooden furniture or decorative accents that highlight the wood's natural grain. Look for pieces with a gently aged finish, whether it's a coffee table, shelving, or picture frames. Incorporating subtle patterns. Farmhouse cottage style isn't all plain and neutral. Patterns can play a fun role in bringing the look together. Stripes, gingham, floral prints, or even delicate toile can be introduced through curtains, cushions, rugs, or table runners. Just keep the patterns subtle and cohesive with your color palette. The charm of simple decor accents. Think about the small, charming details that embody farmhouse living. Enamel pictures, ceramic jugs, and vintage-inspired metal signs all add a quaint, storybook feeling to your rooms. These decor accents shouldn't feel forced or overly themed. Rather, they should appear as if they've been collected and cherished over time. Bringing nature indoors. A connection to nature is integral to farmhouse cottage decor, and bringing greenery indoors is a quick way to liven up the space. Whether you prefer real or faux plants, try introducing a few potted herbs in the kitchen window, a bouquet of wildflowers on the dining table, or a hanging plant near a sunny window. Floral arrangements, real or artificial, bring color and energy to any room and complement the rustic aesthetics beautifully. Creating cozy gathering spaces. At the heart of farmhouse cottage decor is a sense of community and warmth. Designate areas in your home where friends and family can comfortably gather. It might be a welcoming seating arrangement around a fireplace or a large farmhouse table for shared meals. Add cushions or a bench seat to make a dining nook extra cozy. If you have an open floor plan, you can define separate zones with rugs while keeping the overall space cohesive. Mindful storage and organization. Farmhouse cottage style isn't about clutter, it's about simplicity and functionality. To maintain that clean, open feel, look for storage solutions that also function as decor. Vintage wooden crates or wicker baskets can be both stylish and practical. Use them to tuck away extra blankets, pillows, or toys. Thank you so much for joining me as we explored these elegant farmhouse cottage decorating ideas. I hope you're feeling inspired to bring a touch of rustic charm into your own home. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do it. Embrace what makes you happy, experiment with different textures and colors, and allow your personal style to shine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more home decor inspiration.